Hello students, this EVS session we are going to learn the sounds made by vehicles. Here page number 77, there is one question. From the sounds given below, can you tell which vehicle is it? One example also given here. Here, train. Which sound made by train? Chuk chuk. Peep, scooter. Pom pom, truck. Tup tup, horse cart. Gur gur, motorcycle. Tring tring, bicycle. These are the sounds made by vehicles. These are the sounds of single vehicles. How does it sound when many vehicles run together on the road, making different noises? All the sounds get mixed and it creates a lots of sound. Where have you heard the maximum noise? At the airport. You know the maximum noise we having at the airport. Do you like so much noise? No, nobody likes so much noise because it causes pain in ears. So here one picture given. What do you see in this picture? What all can you see in this picture? We can see one burning building. Okay, we can see the flames and smoke emitting from the building. We can also see the fire brigade men working to control the fire. Which vehicles can you see in this picture? An ambulance, a policeman, fire brigade van. Here, what are these vehicles used for? You know children, fire brigade men are trying to control the fire. Ambulance is taking patient to the hospital. Now you understood what the picture is saying. Next one, page number 75. Here given names of some vehicles are given. On one side in the column, write the numbers of wheels and write its uses in other column. First one given here, bus. How many wheels having one bus? 4 or more than 4. Okay, what the purpose of bus? For what purpose we using bus? For traveling, for tour, for social work. Next one, bullock cart. How many wheels having bullock cart? 2 wheels. What the use of bullock cart? For transport and or carry goods. Next one, rickshaw. Rickshaw have 3 wheels for transport and carry passengers. Next one, car. Car have 4 wheels for traveling, for tour. What is the use of car? We use car for traveling or for tour. Aeroplane. Aeroplane having 4 or 6 wheels and we used aeroplane for traveling and for carry goods. Bicycle. Bicycle has only 2 wheels for transport, for general services like postman, police and delivery services. And these are the some vehicles commonly seen by us. Bus, bullock cart, rickshaw, car, aeroplane and bicycle. And the number of wheels also given. You can write in your textbook.